Welcome to Technia TV. I, Dr. Vishal Khatri from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today, I am going to deliver lecture on Java on the topic of interface. What is interface? An interface in Java is a blueprint of a class. It has static constants and abstract methods. The interface in Java is a mechanism to achieve abstraction. There can be only abstract methods in the Java interface, not method body. It is used to achieve abstraction and multiple inheritance in Java. In other words, you can say that interface can have abstract methods and variables. It cannot have a method body. Java interface also represents the is a relationship. It cannot be instantiated just like the abstract class. There are mainly three reasons to use interface. They are given below. Number one, it is used to achieve abstraction. By interface, we can support the functionality of multiple inheritance. Number two, it can be used to achieve loose coupling. On the basis of class, there can be three types of inheritance in Java: single, multiple level, and hierarchical. In Java programming, multiple and hybrid inheritance is supported through interfaces only. Next is, it can be used to achieve loose coupling. An interface is a reference type in Java. It is similar to class. It is a collection of abstract methods. A class implements an interface, thereby inheriting the abstract methods of the interface. Along with abstract methods, an interface may also contain constants, default methods, static methods, and nested types. Method bodies exist only for default methods and static methods. Writing an interface is similar to writing a class, but a class describes the attributes and behaviors of an object. An interface contains behaviors that a class implements. Unless the class that implements the interface is abstract, all the methods of the interface need to be defined in the class. An interface is similar to a class in the following ways. An interface can contain any number of methods. An interface is written in a file with a java.java extension with the name of the interface matching the name of the file. The byte code of an interface appears in a .class file. Interfaces appear in packages and their corresponding byte code. File must be in a directory structure that matches the package name. However, an interface is different from a class in several ways, including you cannot create the object of an interface. An interface does not contain any constructors. All of the methods in an interface are abstract methods. An interface cannot contain instance fields. The only fields that can appear in an interface must be declared both static and final. An interface is not extended by a class, it is implemented by a class. An interface can extend multiple interfaces. I hope you have understood the concept of interfaces in Java. Keep watching Technia TV. Thank you very much.